What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Thanks for tuning into Stock Essentials. Today we're going to be going over a YouTuber by the name of Matt Kohrs, and he got terminated on YouTube for about an hour for some unknown reasons. As he was explaining it, they categorized his account as harmful and dangerous, which relates to physical actual violence, which is definitely not the case with his videos. He only talks about stocks, specifically AMC, so it's definitely not harmful. And YouTube has terminated his channel. He doesn't even have any copyright strikes, so from going from 0 strikes to termination, they're classifying his channel as something really harmful. And they've been doing this with a lot of other YouTubers, other AMC YouTubers as well, which is very interesting that they're targeting all of these AMC YouTubers, trying to kind of, I guess, censor them a little bit and stop this squeeze from happening. AMC is sitting at around 36.86, so a little bit of a flat day today. I did have a nice dip early in the morning, and then it got, of course, bought up by the apes, which is good to see. Almost ending in the green before selling off a little bit in after hours. But overall, it's a pretty okay day for AMC. The squeeze is still on the table. This squeeze is going to explode once it happens, as we can see that a lot of the hedge funds, even YouTube, big tech companies, are trying to censor all this AMC hype, this movement that the apes are doing. But Matt Kohrs did end up getting his YouTube channel back after an hour, after on Twitter, his Twitter channel was actually trending, and then it gave spotlight to his channel. YouTube noticed it, and they released his channel back to the public, which is good news. So if you want to check out Matt Kohrs on Twitter, it's at Matt_Kohrs, and then of course his YouTube channel is going to be just Google Matt Kohrs. But yeah, this is very bad to see that AMC YouTubers are being targeted, trying to prevent this squeeze. So what we can do is just continuously buy up more AMC, hold the line, and eventually this mother of all short squeezes will occur, and this stock will skyrocket to prices we've never seen before. Hundreds of dollars, probably even thousands if it's big enough. But of course, there's no estimated date on that short squeeze. We just gotta buy and hold, continuously buy all the shares, and just hold for the long term. Because remember, over 80% of retail investors own AMC shares. So that means that once hedge funds have to cover the short positions, there's going to be very limited supply, and a lot of them are naked shorting, which means that it's going to be a lot of competition for those shares once all the hedge funds start to cover, because they are losing millions of dollars every single week just by holding short positions, because they do have to pay interest fees on it, and they are pretty expensive on AMC, and they don't really want to cover at this $30 price point. They're still down hundreds of percents, which is still pretty bad for those hedge funds in those short positions. So they're hoping the AMC gets driven down to the dirt and ends up being a penny stock. But it seems like the apes are holding the line. We're continuously buying up the shares, which is very good news. And then once the shorts are forced to cover, they will eventually have to buy AMC at a pretty high price, just because of how limited the supply is, with most of the retail investors holding AMC and not selling, which is going to trigger that massive squeeze that we've been waiting for. But of course, we can't put a time on it. We just have to hold it and just wait for the long term. And eventually, it's a long game, and we will win it as long as we're patient enough. That's about it for this video. Quick little update on AMC as well as Matt Kohrs. He does have his channel back, which is very good news after some heated debate with the YouTube. But of course, that's just what happens with YouTube. And comment down below what your thoughts are on all this mess. And of course, subscribe if you're new to the channel. It helps out a lot. Thanks for watching.